What is your problem now? Okay? You're on cross ties. Okay.
Let's get Sully out of his stall. Okay, we're going to put him on our cross ties. And these are breakaway, and he's giving me some attitude because I had to give him some meds orally, and he thinks I'm going to do that again.
Sully.
Let's get some fly spray. It's like 95
Back up a little bit, okay?
Really buggy today.
Back up. Okay. Brr.
Let's get the legs so the flies don't bother him. And we're going to get started. This is a curry comb, and you're going to use this in circular motions. You're going to start at the neck and just work your way down. I do some larger circular motions, and this kind of just brings all the dirt and excess hair to the surface. And it's like kind of a massage for the horse. Most of them like it. We're going to just keep working all the way back, get his belly, get the hindquarters, and get all the dirt up. And here's a close-up of, you kind of see that hair, and he's not really too dirty, but we just want to make sure we get any loose hair. Go to the other side and do the same thing. We're going to start at the neck and just work our way down. And he's being a good boy. All right, our next brush, hard brush. So we're going to use this to kind of flick all of that excess hair and dirt that we just curried up. You're going with the hair. You never want to go against the way the hair naturally grows on the horse. So we're just going to flick it all off. Go to the other side and do the same thing. Start at the neck and just get all of that excess hair and dirt off of him that we just curried up. Let's go to our soft brush. And this one you can use on the face and on their legs. Just be careful not to get dust in their eyes when you are doing their face, brushing it. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to start at the neck and work your way down. But again, this brush can be used on the legs because it is a soft brush. Just want to make sure to get those as well. We're going to move them over. Other side. These cross ties that I'm using are breakaways, so if the horse does pull on them, or let's just say he starts backing up, the halters also break away, which means that if there's a lot of pressure on either of those things, they will just snap and he will be free. So he cannot get cast, stuck, or anything like that. Make sure you always have breakaways, halters, and cross ties. This is a brush, a hair brush. We're going to comb the forelock. We're going to go to the mane in just a second. Let's comb the mane. don't tug too hard on the hair. We don't want to rip out any hair. You can also use a conditioner on their hair just so you don't tug it and pull it out. He didn't really need conditioner. I just kind of brushed it. And then we're going to brush the tail. Start at the bottom of the tail and work your way up.
Why do you need it so bad?
He actually pulled his tail away from me because the fly is really bad. So we're going to get that back. Start at the bottom and work your way up so you don't pull out too much of the tail. Also can use a conditioner on the tail. In the hoof pig, we're going to pick out his feet. He's actually pretty bad with the feet. That's something we got to work on actively. It's giving me a hard time here. I feel bad for my farrier. Sorry, really got to work on this.
Gotta pick out the feet.
Now we have issues. Doesn't want to stand.
Why are you being so bad
It
for
is
feet?
95 degrees out in his defense, and I am sweating from every crevice. And now he thinks I'm going to give him some oral meds again.
What? It's a hoof pig.
Yeah,
Look.
so we're
Look.
going to have to do a take
Look.
2. We're going to fake him out. We're going to put him in a stall.
Look, here's a tree.
And then take him back out. That's the fake out. And we're going to put his lead rope on so I have a little more control so he's not flinging his head everywhere. And we're going to try these toes again.
You're going to come back out again.
You really want to make sure that you're always working on the grooming with your horse because other people will eventually have to deal with them. And you want them to behave, especially with the feet. We're going to pick them out. His feet are actually really, really dry. It has been dry, so there's actually nothing really in the feet. But for good hoof health, make sure you pick them out every day. And grooming is not just about keeping your horse clean. It's also a really great way to bond with your horse. I try to groom them as much as possible. Having 4 of them, it's really hard. But it is a bonding experience for sure. It's not just about riding. It's about taking care of them. And he's not going to give me this back foot. We're going to leave him be. Make sure you pick out those back feet. And make sure if you haven't, subscribe to our channel. And let us know about what other videos you may want to see. This is Sully. And we did a little quick grooming session on him. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Let's put him back. And look at that. Shiny.